Hello and welcome to the Slingshot channel. Many fans requested I do a video about how to weaponize Ikea pencils, and therefore I decided to give it a go.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Okay, so this is one of these pencils. As you see, it's rather sharp, not totally pointy, but rather pointy. But of course you can also use it just like a knife. And then it turns into something that really resembles a weapon. Of course, the tip is easily damaged. Of course, this isn't really badass enough for this channel. So I made another set, and this is the world's first Ikea pencil switchblade.
Let me show you its features.
Not bad. I'm actually quite happy. Of course, in reality, it's useless as a distance shooter. Alright, you know we are no pussies here at the Slingshot channel. Therefore, we must test if this can actually injure someone. Alright, and... Ow!